Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from SMK Tanah Merah 1, Kelantan, and our company name is Resplendent Company. My name is NURRIN binti ABDUL.
My name is NATASYA binti ZAINUDDIN.
My name is NURRIN EMMERALD binti ALWI.
Nowadays, there's a lot of carbon monoxide emitted from every type of vehicle that will increase environmental pollution. Have you ever think that one day petroleum will finish? So how people will move around without petroleum? Water is one of renewable energy that will not finish. People need to have this to slowly practice to reduce the petroleum usage. Hydroselect is one of the products that make water as the main things to move.
Hydroselect is a vehicle that can turn from water to water vapor, which causing the city and community to remain sustainable because there will be no more environmental pollution. In addition, the process of making hydroselect requires a large number of employees to speed up the production of this vehicle. The uniqueness and eco-friendly of hydroselect car will attract a lot of people to purchase it.
Resplendent Automotive Business offers a discount 1,000 ringgit off for the first 100 customers. The delivery of value proposition to our lovely customers will be disseminated through communication methods, distribution and broadcast in television advertisements to pull the interest of the public. Resplendent Automotive Business also will perform several activities by sponsoring a car racing competition. The winner of this competition will be presented with our Hydroselect car in conjunction with the launch of our product. Else, we will hire Jazaman Jafar, F1 racing car players, as our ambassador to collect a trust from people.
Resplendent Automotive will offer a job to local people to work in our company as the factor employees, manager, human resource, and so on. We will launch a comprehensive insurance program special for our customer. Our vision is to reduce the environmental pollution and to develop Malaysian economy and go further in the future. We build a rare technology in hydroselect. We also use a high quality item to complete the whole hydroselect.